Howdy y'all, and happy birthday to you. You belong in a zoo. What? What do you mean it's not your birthday? I brought a cake. More for me. Today we're looking at this. The incredible candle. Let's see if it really is incredible. It's only $5, so I don't know how it can be that incredible. Honestly, of all the stuff I plan to do with this channel, and of some of the stuff I have done, never really planned to unbox a candle. That's kind of a first. But we're going to do it. Now, this is the incredible candle. These are at Walmart. I'm sure other places sell them too. And they are $5. They might be cheaper or more expensive elsewhere. Let's take a quick look at what the box says. Well, those are just instructions. Who cares? This product should only be used by an adult, not for children. The birthday candle that's not for children. Great. Oh, but just not for children under 3. Just to clarify. Ooh. And Ashens would certainly be sad. There's no sad onions on here, as far as I can tell. We do have those on some boxes here, but they aren't quite as common. It doesn't really... Other than this, it doesn't really explain what it does. It opens, it spins, and it plays Happy Birthday. And it has 14 candles. I guess technically it only works if you're 14, but... This is just instructions, so let's just open it. I'm going to save the box for collector's purposes. No, obviously not. Oh, wait, there's something still in there. Oh, what's still in there? I got a stick. Okay. So this is what it looks like right now, apparently. There's a... Is that metal? No, I think that's a wick in the middle. Actually, it kind of looks like a sparkler. It might be a sparkler. Ooh. Should I be putting something down on this table? Well, I'm not going to. And the little candles. And a little wire. There's also some string down here. Maybe I should read the instructions. I'm going to assume I don't need to read the instructions to figure out this just gets put in there. Into the cake. Let's take a look at these. Hold the base of the candle and place it on the birthday cake. Got that part figured out. Light the red wick in the center of the flower using a long match or the enclosed stick. Okay. A flame will shoot from... Oh, it will. Okay. Shoot from the center of the candle, slowly lighting the 14 internal candles and opening the petals. The candle will begin to spin and play music. Blow out the candles before they burn down all the way. To stop the music, cut the internal copper wire with scissors. Be right back. Now we have scissors. So, I guess we're just going to light it and find out. I'm going to bring it a little closer. There's center. Is the wood stick. Wood stick of power. I'll do what the instructions say here and light it. Maybe. Yeah, it's lit. Ooh! Oh. I don't hear music. So apparently this one didn't work. Great quality right there. I heard something for... You know what? Actually, I'm not going to put that embering matchstick in there. Wow, this thing still... Look at that. Ooh. I heard something for a second, but it seems to have stopped. I'm not sure if this is a electric turning or if it's mechanical. It seems to be slowing down a bit. If it's electrical, I would think it would not work if the music wasn't working. This is still going, jeez. Well, I guess that's it. I could try and, that's supposed to make contact there, or... No, I don't know. Look at the smoke. Admittedly, it is still kind of incredible, even if it doesn't play music. It is cool. And if it played Happy Birthday, that would be even cooler. I feel like resistance. I feel like this is an electric motor. Ooh. Happy birthday to you. That is the sad... There's a clown crying somewhere to this. It's kind of getting better. I mean, this fell off into itself. Another problem I'm seeing with this, it said to cut the copper wire in order to stop it. The copper wire is... Oh, it stopped. Okay. But the copper wire isn't attached to anything. I don't have any way to actually stop it. I'm going to have to... This thing's still going. I'm going to have to go put this out. And then I think I'll grab something and we'll take this apart. See how it works. So, we got to find the appropriate tool. This should work. No, we're not going to do that. But we should be able to just pull it apart. It is plastic. So let's get this thing apart. That's good cake. Now let's start with, I think those ropes that I saw burn must be what held this down. I see a spring here. So basically when the spring lets go, those pop open. When you light the what is essentially a very fast burning sparkler, it lights all these candles. So I don't think it's supposed to break the copper wire though. So that is the speaker. Can we focus? I think we're pretty good. That's the speaker, and you can see the battery there. So I think I see what they've done here to make this work. If you notice, the copper wire is wrapped around these little plastic pieces. I think it actually creates the bridge for the two batteries. Without the wires connected, the circuit isn't being completed. It's actually pretty simple, but I don't quite know how it doesn't go off before you light it. It's really interesting. I wish I would have taken a better look at it before I lit it and it broke the copper fuse. I mean, it's very simple, and it's a beautiful little circuit board. Anybody who loves old computers will recognize that this is a very old-fashioned circuit board. You don't see, it's very small, you know, not powerful one, but you don't see them looking like that these days much anymore. That could be right out of the 80s. So let's take this apart and have a look at what makes it spin. Well, I guess that answers that question. It is a spring. Ew. What is that? Is that... I don't think that's frosting. That's interesting. So there's some... Oh, that is weird. Oh. I don't know if I like that or not. I guess it's sealed. Obviously a spring. In fact, I'll probably keep that. Never know, might be able to use it to fix a clock at some point. And the spring is what turns it. Now the reason it goes so slowly is because on the inside of here, and you'll have to discern what is cake frosting and what I'm actually talking about. See the white stuff in there? It's kind of like sticky glue. Not sure exactly what that is, but it offers resistance. And even like right now, it's actually physically hard for me to turn this. And that resistance is what allows it to turn so slowly rather than the spring, if it didn't have it, just going all out at once. Boy, these are just petals falling right there. And then the spring is what keeps it from, or the spring, this wire here, or not wire, not rope, string was routed through here, and basically I think it got burnt off and that let go so that this was suddenly able to turn around with the spring pressure. Oh well, now that came off too. Okay. It's really interesting. It's an interesting little piece. I mean, I don't know. I kind of have, you know, I can probably, oh yeah, now I can really see the white stuff on the inside. Now the question is that non-toxic? I would assume that it is, or there would be issues, but it is sealed pretty well. I can't imagine any of that stuff getting outside, because it does have this bottom panel that would seal it pretty well. I mean, I'm going to eat the cake, so I'm not too worried about it. It's an interesting little thing. And honestly, for $5, even if it doesn't fully work like this one unfortunately didn't, I don't know, it's kind of a nice thing. It's certainly better than trying to count out somebody's birthday with the exact amount of candles. That's just sort of almost cliched at this point. I mean, it's something interesting. It's something kind of different. I imagine a little kid would love this. And to be fair to this company, this has sat in this den for a little while. And this room does not have air conditioning. I'm very hot right now. So it has gotten hot, and that might be why it didn't work correctly. Or I somehow screwed it up. I'll take full responsibility if I did something wrong. So that's the incredible candle, or what's left of it. And, well, I'm a fat guy, and I have a cake. So the rest of my day is planned out now. So, happy trails. And happy birthday if it's your birthday. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me!